Hey, yeah, one more video today. So we'll go to the best biotech stocks in 2020. So let's go over the biotech stocks right now. Yeah, here are a couple of 19 ideas that I think I'm giving. Let's go and analyze, whether it is suitable for us or not. So I think most of these all recommended, but depends on the your kind of a picking strategy. I think you can pick the timing. So the biotech stocks are not doesn't relate to the market, so it will go on its own kind of move, because because there are so many other different criteria is involved in the biotechs rather than a regular techie and other oil stock, all those things. So let's go. This is Mayo. Mayo cardiac is all biotech. So if you go to the weekly chart, this looks very good, and it has the long-term resistance here, so in the range. So right now it is breaking out, so might be it will go to the parabolic move from here. This is the weekly chart. It has the floor to 39.7, so under 100 million 100 million shares is, I think, is good for to move fast. And also all the biotech stocks move very fast comparatively any other stocks, because it depends on the news. Once the news comes, it just jumps like anything. See, like this. This move almost, I think, 100%, more than 100% from here. So right now it is heading to the parabolic move. Go to here. See, it's a regular nice range pattern. So whenever it touches the here or lands the 20 EMA, I think you can buy, you can add your positions. Okay, let's go to the KRYS. This is a Crystal Biotech. So this also, I think, very good in terms of the pattern wise, and also it is supporting all the time with the 20-week EMA. So whenever 20-week EMA, I think we can add positions here. But this move almost, I think, see, 479%. So within 2018 to 2019, not more than a year, I think, 1 year, I think. So so it's so you can add your positions here. If you come to here, guys, I think yeah, this is the breakout, right? So this breakout, right now again, this is the one more breakout from here. So it is right now, it is consolidating. So you can add your positions here around this range. So this also, I like it. ZYME is also very good, because I have the position in this one right now. So I do the swing trade on this one. Swing trade means, every week you add and buy it and sell it in a week time, and you can add another week, something like that. Adding the pyramid position, something like that. So here the pattern is cup. This is cup and handle. Again, one more cup and handle. So two cups and handles, and breakout is very good as per the O'Neill strategy. There are two cup and handles. So from here, I think it moves very fast. So let's come to here. I think, let's see how far it went from here. I think 1.5 year, 533%. So it's a very good investment, if you play and cautiously, and the return of investment also is very good on this So this move, if you take this move, I think you will get a lot of profit. So you need to stay little long here, I think. So I had a position here at this time, and yesterday I think it went down. Let's see how it moves from here. I think I hope it will move from here. ASND, SND is formal. This also I like this kind of pattern because every time after range is breaking out and range breaking out and range breaking out and again this range then breaking out again. This is the range. Now it will break again, so it might end up with the $200 from here, I think. So we can capture this move from here to here. So if you go to the here in the daily chart, um, see this is the big range, right? Again here is the very cup on the handle. So if you enter here, it will go from here to there. I mean, almost 160. And also this is long breakout. So it will stay. It won't come down like this. It won't come down because it resisted almost a few months. So the investors or buyers will come and make it move from here, because all the buyers dominated until all the here. From once the breakout means it's like a buyers are more dominant than the seller. So buyers always resist or putting into the upward move from here. So here is like they are not decided who is the buyers. Here sellers dominated, then again buyers dominated, then again sellers dominated, then buyers. It's like kind of a range. So once it breaks out, I think buyers totally dominate. So everyone put into the money in this one. So something like that you need to understand. Here AIMT, these also have the position. This is also one of the good. I like this pattern. See, orderly coming back and something like that. Here also orderly coming. And there is also lot of long pullback from 2000 to 2019. I think 18 to 19. So almost 1.5 year pullback. And after that it resisted. And then again, right now it is heading to the north, I think. So see, orderly pullback and pullback. Whenever it pulls back, you just add your position. So this move, I think, almost, I think, 84%. So I think it will, it will go until 40, and the resistance here, I think, little bit oscillation here. Then after that, again, it will move. So that's what. This is IPO. This is also blue chip value fund, I think. So this is IPO. You need to go with very cautiously on this one, because just now it broke out the range, little bit range here, because IPO has a lot of volatility, and also it moves very fast. So be cautious on this one. So whenever it turns a little bit pull back, then you enter. So that will give the low risky entry point. And here CBPO China, so it has a long move in the 2013 to 2016. So let's see how much. See 12,1253, so percentage. So it's a very long move, and also it stayed almost 3 years on the range. So upward move on the range. Once it breaks, then again it will repeat the same kind of a move. So wait for that, So I'm watching closely on this one because this is a big range and it is a range. It is not going anywhere. So once the pairs comes, I think it will go forward from here. I think so. I'm waiting for this to break out. Whenever it breaks out, you just add some position, and then let's see how it moves. If it moves forward, then you can add more positions. Yeah, IMMU. So this one also had the position. See, this also has a very good potential. See, big move and range. Then again here one more small range. Once it breaks out, then it will go until 40, 50, something like that. So we can expect same kind of a move, an orderly pullback or something like that. So let's see. This move is 651% in 1 year time, 1.5 year time. So so I do swing trading on this part. So whenever it pulls back, I just add position. So um, so yeah, this is the swing trading strategy. So almost, I entered here, then take one big move, something like that. This move almost, I think 10%, something like that you will get. Then again range, then I add little bit more position, then again I watch closely, every day, something like that. So like this you can enter here, and then also you can enter right now also. REPH also good, but it's unexpected move. So you need to see whether you should not put everything in one bucket. So closely watch and initiate in the low risk entry point. So normally I initiate here, it supports all the time here 20 50 DMA. So I will add position in 50 DMA. So yeah. So this is XENE also very good. So from here to here, it's very, this move is 493. So this could move from here. I think after that it pulled back on sellers came and this took the profits, everything. So here also in the range, and it broke out the range, and one more range will come here. Once it breaks out here, then it will go one more, we can expect from like this move. So see, so yeah, you had little positions here and until it comes to 50 EMA. So EPZM also I recommended earlier in another uh, area. So here EPZM also I like it because it broke out the long yearly range. So it's a lot of volumes, and it's good, I think. Let me see. I want most of the time I'm looking for it to catch this kind of a move. So because long breakout, right? So we can add positions or something like that. XBIT, um, XBIT also okay, not great, but it's okay, I think. So once it comes, it fills the gap from here to here, right? So once it fills gap, you can add position here, something like that, around 16 or 16, something like that. So you can add your position here. Then after that, you can expect more from here to there, I think. So this also quickly move on the high beta stocks. And this has the float 30. million shares. So I'm waiting, and also it has high beta, so it moves very fast compared to any other stock. AXSM is also, it's been my watch list for a couple of months. Here I put in watch list, after that it went fine. I mean, almost 1100%, 1200%. So it's a very great move. I like it, I think. So normally day traders like these kind of stocks because it moves 4%, 3%, 4%, 5%, something like in a daytime. So right now it is, might be it is in the, here it is a range, so we can expect some range. Probably and buy also good. One big move, this might be some new scheme. After that it pulls back and fill the gap. Now again it is heading to the 20 or something else. So if you see here large, yeah, this is where news came. So after that it's big range. So I think now is the good time to enter in this position, because it's kind of, if you look at this one, is cup and hand in kind of thing. So ESPR not great, but it's okay, I think. So here it's a big move, and also here some kind of a range will come, and again it will heading to the 100. MRTX also very swing trading. I think we can use, like we can use this one from here almost 1900, 1920%. It's almost 2000. So 2000 in 1.5 year time. So which stock will give you that much profit? So whenever it comes, and you can plainly add your positions either here or here whenever it touches 100, something like that. So it will move in a month's time, it will move again to the position. So this in weekly chart is looks good to me. ARWR, this is also one of the growth stock. You see here is 3,500%, very big move. So if you catch a small part of this move, that's good, I think. So it is in the, right now it is in the range. So once it ranges, after it breaks out again, then you can add for your position. So let's see how far. I think might be it is testing again to the 20-week MA. If you go back here, I think ARWR in the daily chart. So let's see whether it will stay here, or it will test again TDMA. So I will watch this one closely. Yeah, right now this one just now it started. I think recently it went to IPO, big big swing, and here it is resisted on one more resistance point, and it broke out. Let's see whether it will go fast or take range and go fast or something like that. So range, right? So it's breaking here, then again we'll see. You can add your position whenever it touches the 10-day MA. Okay. And the QURE, this is the UniQ. Unicure also I like it because I had some positions couple of times. Let's go this move. See 1000% in, in 1.5 year time. So I like this one. This one is in range, so you can buy right now. You can buy here. So if it is this one is cup, this is handle. So this is the right time to enter your position. Okay. Oh, yeah, this what I think I want to. So this one I picked up from the researching a lot of biotechs. After that, these are the highly ranked stocks, and also volume is also good, and you can have the big kind of stocks or also low price stocks also available. So do your own research and enter your positions. Okay. um, all right, thank you very much. Thanks for your subscription. If you need latest updates from the stock market, I think you can subscribe, and you will get the latest videos on time. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.